Guys, I forgot the stupid microphone. I'm really sorry. That was really lazy on my part, but...
So if it sounds different today, it's not on CJ. It's not on CJ. I just want to point that out one time.
I'm gonna edit the shit out of that.
You're gonna like slow it down?
Exactly.
We're gonna go hit up Matic, drop off what we gotta drop off. Then we're gonna hit up Toronto, hit up Queen, because you know it's the fashion district of Toronto. And we're gonna go some shoe shopping, bro, because I need to buy a pair of shoes today. So it's going down, like I said, it's going Why you have no rhythm, bro? He's on the phone. Alright guys, so it's your boy CJ from Play for Hype. We're in front of Madic's condo right now. He's gonna come down. He's gonna get his prize because he's the one who won our raffle giveaway. So he's gonna win 2 pieces from my brand, Wise Up Apparel. You can check that out right now on wiseapparel.com. Then we got the tees, the all over print. We also got it in black as well too. So I mean, we really do this, man. So make sure the next contest that we got, make sure you guys plug yourselves in. Make sure you guys do not miss it, man, because we're gonna be giving away kicks and other accessories as well too, man.
Look how fresh this guy is.
It's fun to meet you, brother.
What's going on, my bro? Long time no see.
Chilling.
Doc.
Everybody on the inside, these are my family. DJ Matic, that's DJMATIC.ENT on Instagram.
So guys, man, this is the first giveaway we've done, and we really do this, man. So.
In Toronto, you don't have to worry about where we're gonna go, where we're gonna park, how we're gonna do it. I know the streets down here. When we're in Mississauga now, that's when I ask you, yo, where we going, where we parking, how we gonna do this thing. I don't know Saga at all. Toronto,
I don't know Toronto at all.
Toronto, I can't get lost.
So I guess walking back in Toronto is not an issue. Everybody's outside.
Yep, everyone's outside. The city is alive. The city is bumping. Why is GFC closed?
I don't even know, man. I don't even know.
You got at least
Hey, there's our boy Joe Fresh right there. This is Toronto, guys. Did not find anything so far at the stores. We're gonna go to Livestock right now and see if we can find anything, and we'll check back later. Honestly, our camera is at 9% right now, so I'm being very minimal of what we film right now. So let's go.
And honestly, CJ's just hungry to make a cop today. Like hungry. Like my belly is starving to buy something right now. So hopefully we can get that done. The midsole is actually made from 4D printing. So what you're seeing here, they actually made the entire midsole and they put it on the shoe. Like this is
touch it.
This is like this is next level stuff. Adidas is always ahead of the game when it comes to technology and putting in the shoe. Like the Boost is cool, but these are like.
I think he wants to work for you guys.
I would totally.
Can I throw something out there for you?
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
One other thing in terms of the 4D printing,
Yeah.
why it was such a big deal is essentially it's pressure point sensitive,
Right.
and especially with the way that it's built, through that midsole is built in multiple layers, so that as you're running, as you're walking, similar idea to the Ultra Boost, that it's going to react to the pressure points.
Right.
It's actually going to mold it out. So a good example, let's say you have both 11 and a half.
Right.
We go through the 48-hour molding period and switch shoes. Our shoes will actually have a very different feel from each other.
Foot Locker right now, and on Main Street. So we're gonna see what else is there, and if there's nothing else, then I don't know what to say, man. We still have an unboxing when we get to the house, though, so that's okay. We still got time.
We could look forward to those, but at the end of the day, like I really just want to cop something today. If I don't see nothing in here, then I'm just gonna go online. I'm just gonna purchase the top threes because that was on my mind all morning. So we'll see what happens, you know. For the same price, no? You like those?
Yes, I do. Got the Chunky Dunkies in hand, guys. Wow. Holy. This is a beautiful shoe, man. Damn, bro. These are beautiful. I need a pair of these.
It has the horsehair. It's got the multicolor inside. On the inside tongue. If it's not fun, why do it?
Wow.
Ben and Jerry logos. We got the swoosh is dripping. The ice cream. Comes with 2 different laces. It's a wild shoe.
That's awesome. So that's your personal pair right there?
Yeah, this is definitely not for vegans. This has the cow and it's using horsehair.
Wow. Guys, shout out OD Tehran again. This is the only, yo, you know what's crazy? I'm wearing the hat. I've been wearing this hat really recently.
I'm about to do a cop because we've been looking all over the city, store after store after store, and I haven't found anything I wanted to cop. These are the only shoes that have been in my mind, so honestly, we're here at ODTO and I'm feeling the vibe. Unfortunately, they don't have the top threes, the fives, but I'm about to cop them right now on footlocker.ca, man, and y'all about to catch it right now. Alright guys, so for our last stop for our day, we're heading to Zara. Not too much of a lineup, we're once going in next. My boy's gonna cop something. He's gonna cop something for sure. That is our day, man. You've seen store after store after store. I was trying to get a cop, but I'm just gonna go head to footlocker.ca and cop those top threes, those Jordan 5s. But like I said, if this is your very first time ever checking out our YouTube channel, man, make sure you smash that subscribe button. We do on-foot reviews, we do vlogs, we also do try-ons, and we also do giveaways as you've seen in this vlog today. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, make sure you drop a like, bro, and we're out.